Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into an important topic that affects us all, recognizing when our bodies need rest. You know, we live in a world that glorifies the go, go, go mentality. We're constantly bombarded with messages that tell us to hustle harder, do more, sleep less. But what happens when we push ourselves beyond our limits? What happens when we ignore the whispers of our bodies begging us to slow down? Today, we're going to learn how to listen to those whispers. We're going to uncover the subtle and not so subtle signs that our bodies use to tell us we need rest. Because let me tell you, ignoring those signs can have serious consequences for our health and well-being. Let's get started. Have you ever woken up after a full night's sleep and still felt utterly exhausted? Like you could crawl right back into bed and sleep for another 8 hours? This, my friends, is a major red flag. Your body is designed to wake up feeling refreshed and energized after a good night's sleep. If you're constantly feeling tired, even after getting enough sleep, it's a clear sign that your body is craving rest on a deeper level. It's like your internal battery is constantly running on low. You might be able to power through your day, but you're never truly operating at full capacity. Ignoring this fatigue is like ignoring a flashing check engine light in your car. You might be able to keep driving for a while, but eventually something's gotta give. So if you're feeling that constant fatigue, don't brush it off. Listen to your body. It's trying to tell you something important. Let's talk about our immune system, the incredible internal defense force that protects us from harmful invaders. When we're well rested, our immune system is strong and ready to fight. But when we're constantly running on empty, our immune system weakens. It's like a tired army, unable to effectively defend the fortress. And what happens when our defenses are down? We get sick. If you find yourself catching every cold and flu that goes around, it's time to take a step back and ask yourself, am I giving my body the rest it needs to stay healthy? Chronic stress, lack of sleep, and constant busyness take a toll on our immune system. It's like running a marathon without ever stopping for water or rest. Eventually, your body will start to break down. So if you're feeling run down and getting sick frequently, it's your body's way of waving a giant red flag. It's time to prioritize rest and give your immune system the support it needs to fight for you. We've all been there. One minute you're laughing at a funny meme, and the next minute you're ready to unleash fury on anyone who dares to make eye contact. Mood swings are a normal part of life, but if you're noticing an increase in irritability, anxiety, or just feeling emotionally on edge, it could be a sign that your mind and body are overworked. When we're stressed and sleep deprived, our bodies release a surge of hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are designed to help us cope with short-term stress, but when we're constantly under pressure, they can wreak havoc on our mood and well-being. Think of it like a pot of water simmering on the stove. A little bit of heat is fine, but if you leave it on high for too long, it's going to boil over. So if you find yourself snapping at your loved ones or feeling overwhelmed by the smallest things, it's time to take a step back and prioritize rest. Give your mind and body a chance to reset and recharge. Decreased performance. Can you focus? Have you ever sat down to work on an important task, but you just can't seem to focus? Your mind is racing, you're easily distracted, and you feel like you're wading through mental quicksand. This, my friends, is another telltale sign that your body is craving rest. When we're tired, our brains simply can't function at their best. Our cognitive abilities like focus, memory, and decision-making all take a hit. It's like trying to run a marathon on an empty stomach. You might be able to start strong, but eventually you're going to hit a wall. So if you're noticing a decline in your work performance, your ability to concentrate, or even just remember simple things, it's time to listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. What is your body trying to tell you? Our bodies are incredible machines, constantly communicating with us, sending us signals and cues about what they need. And sometimes those signals come in the form of physical pain, unexplained aches, muscle tension, headaches. These can all be our body's way of telling us that we're pushing too hard and need to slow down. When we're stressed and sleep deprived, our muscles tense up, our blood pressure rises, and our bodies go into survival mode. This chronic state of stress can manifest as physical pain and discomfort. It's like your body is waving a giant red flag saying, "Hey, pay attention, something's not right." So if you're experiencing persistent aches and pains, don't just reach for the pain relievers. Take a moment to listen to your body. Are you getting enough rest? Are you taking care of yourself? Your body might be trying to tell you something. Sleep issues. Tossing and turning all night? Sleep. It's the foundation of our physical and mental health. It's when our bodies and minds repair, restore, and rejuvenate themselves. But for many of us, sleep can feel elusive. We toss and turn, our minds race, and we wake up feeling just as exhausted as when we went to bed. If you're struggling with sleep issues, it's a clear sign that your body is out of balance and craving rest. Chronic stress, anxiety, and an overactive mind can make it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. It's like your mind is a car stuck in overdrive, unable to shift into neutral. So if you're finding it hard to get a good night's sleep, it's time to prioritize rest and create a calming bedtime routine. Changes in appetite. Are you overeating or undereating? Our appetite is another fascinating way our bodies communicate with us. It tells us when we're hungry, when we're full, and what nutrients we need. But when we're stressed, tired, and out of balance, our appetite can become erratic. We might find ourselves overeating, craving sugary or fatty foods, or losing our appetite altogether. This is because stress hormones like cortisol can disrupt our hunger signals, leading to unhealthy eating patterns. It's like our internal hunger cues are getting lost in translation. So if you're noticing significant changes in your appetite, it's worth paying attention to. It could be a sign that your body is under stress and needs some extra TLC. Listen to your body. Remember, taking care of your body is crucial for a healthy and happy life. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to give yourself the rest you deserve. Don't wait until you're completely burned out and running on fumes. Listen to the whispers of your body and give it the rest it needs to thrive. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more inspiring health-related content. Thank you for watching.